Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, this is Ian. So have you ever encountered one of those problems? When you first apply foundation, it looks all nice and clean. An hour later, it starts getting dark. And then 2 hours later, it leaves you nothing but oil. So you try to switch to oil-free foundation, even oil-free primer trying to match. However, makeup never seems to last. From skincare routine to makeup look, I break down some best tips and tricks for a long-lasting summer makeup look. First, I like to use some micellar water. This is by far my favorite brand. Even though you think you did a great job removing your makeup, you won't be surprised to see what's on this cotton pad. What I like to do is to put some micellar water on the cotton pad and then gently tap it on the face. Then I like to use some rose water or toner to keep my skin hydrated. And if you have acne prone skin, try to avoid toner that has alcohol in it. Does your face feel sticky after applying moisturizer? That means the moisturizer doesn't work as effective as it's supposed to. What I like to do is to divide the normal dosage into 2 portions. Apply the first portion and then let it sit at least 5 minutes to make sure it gets absorbed all the way in. Applying the moisturizer in a piping motion from bottom to up. This way, the moisturizer will get absorbed all the way, which will also help the foundation stay on longer. Then apply the rest of it. Use mattifying primer. It is almost a must if you want your foundation to last longer. My recent favorite is Cover FX Mattifying Primer. It also has an acne treatment benefit. I like to apply it only to the problem areas such as T-section, center of the face. When it comes to primer, less is more is so true. And for foundation, my recent favorite is this one, the Cover FX Power Play. And another one is the Shiseido's Radiant Lifting Foundation. They both have like a medium to full coverage, so the coverage is pretty good and very long lasting. So this one has more radiant effect instead of like very matte. Both of these you can just apply with your finger, but after that, I like to use a sponge to dab it. Just make sure it's absorbed in. So this one is the Shiseido, that one is Cover FX. As far as styling goes, I recommend using a powder instead of liquid, even though you have like dry skin. I found a pretty interesting one is the 3CE Studio. It's called Blur Filter Powder. So you have 2 different colors. One side is green, one side is purple. Basically, you just apply it like how you apply the setting powder, gently tap it on the problem area. The powder particle creates a virtual blur effect. It also has a color corrective effect. So it conceals skin blemish and even out the skin tone for smooth looking skin. And that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think and what is your favorite summer foundation, and I will see you next time. Thank you.